Top 5 Best Soldering Stations in 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best soldering stations? If you received a new soldering stations, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best soldering stations on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The Honton R490/R690V.3 BGA Rework Station is a professional-grade soldering machine designed for motherboard chip repair. It features a 3-zone heating system for precise heat distribution, making it ideal for delicate electronics work. Equipped with a touch-screen interface, it offers intuitive control for efficient repairs. CE certified, it is customizable and reliable, making it perfect for advanced technicians handling complex soldering tasks like component replacement and BGA rewo. Number 2. The Hot Air BGA Rework Station HT R490 is a versatile soldering machine designed for mobile phone PCB repairing and other electronic components. It features a 3-zone heating system and a 4000 W general power output, ensuring precise soldering, welding, and repairing of packaged devices. With a touch-screen interface, it offers easy operation and accurate temperature control. Suitable for PCB sizes from 10mm x 10mm to 350mm x 400mm and chip sizes up to 80mm x 80mm, it is customizable, EFF. Number 3. The R690 Hot Air Soldering Station is a professional-grade BGA reballing machine for precise motherboard and chip repairs. It features a 4000 W power output and a 3-zone heating system for accurate temperature control. Equipped with an optional CCD camera system, it offers high-precision alignment for reballing and rework. The machine is versatile for various PCB sizes and chip types, with an IR preheating area of 300mm x 200mm and multiple nozzles. Customizable and CE certified, IT Inc. Number 4. The LK007 BGA Rework Station is a high-performance soldering and welding machine designed for motherboard repairs and advanced electronics. It has 4200 W effective power and a 220V power supply, ensuring efficient operation. It features a 3-zone heating system for uniform heat distribution and an integrated vacuum suction pen for safe component handling. Made in mainland China, this robust machine ensures reliable repairs for complex electronics and is essential for precision soldering. Number 5. The LYR690V.3 Hot Air BGA Rework Station 4300W is a professional soldering machine for chip repair and welding tasks. It features a powerful 4300 W output and a 3-zone heating system for precise heat distribution. It offers manual and touch-screen control, infrared preheating area, and support for laser alignment for accurate positioning. The CE-certified station in pearl white is compatible with thousands of curves stored on an SD card, making it an ideal tool for advanced electronic heating system for accurate temperature control. Equipped with an optional CCD camera system, it offers high-precision alignment for reballing and rework. The machine is versatile for various PCB sizes and chip types, with an IR preheating area of 300mm x 200mm and multiple nozzles. Customizable and CE certified, IT Inc. Thanks for watching the video.